Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. In a horrific incident, two 4-year KG girls were sexually assaulted by a cleaning staff in Maharashtra's Thane. This incident has triggered outrage among public. The public is out on the streets. The two girls were allegedly assaulted by a 23-year-old male cleaning staff inside the girls' washroom. This incident occurred on August 16th. The police have arrested the accused after an FIR was filed against him. This incident has caused outrage in the public. There is a massive protest in Thane. The public is out on the railway tracks. The Mumbai local trains have been disrupted as the public has blocked the rail route at Badlapur station. The train services are brought to a standstill. The protesters could be heard demanding hanging of the accused. The protesters pelted stones on the cops at the Badlapur railway station. They also vandalized the school property. The school administration has suspended the principal, dismissed the class teacher and the nanny. However, the parents still remain dissatisfied. Parents believe that the school has failed to take full responsibility for the safety of the students. Parents find that the school lacks an official apology or the assurance of safety of the students. The police in their investigation found significant lapses in the school's security measures. The probe found that there were no female staff present in the girls' washroom and many of the CCTV cameras were found non-functionable. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has taken cognizance in the matter. He said that no one would be spared if found guilty. The Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, has ordered formation of a SIT to probe the case. He has also ordered the Police Commissioner of Thane to submit a proposal today to take the case to a fast-track court. The former Chief Minister of Maharashtra and Shiv Sena UBT Chief Uddhav Thackeray has demanded punishment for the accused as soon as possible. He has also said that there should be no politicization in the case. Congress leader and LOP Vijay Wadintiwar said that this incident is going to bring shame to Maharashtra. He has demanded that the accused should be hanged within 3 months. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.